MC didn't have a writing center at all,
Oh my God.
I feel like I would go crazy.
I would just probably just ask like a friend.
Yeah, I'll probably go like the internet.
I probably would ask my mom to edit my papers.
Blow up my professor's email and say help.
The Writing, Reading, and Language Centers are an important resource available to students, staff, and faculty. These centers are located on all 3 campuses and provide rooms for quiet reading, computer labs, WEPA, printers, and you are able to book appointments with tutors. The centers are available Monday through Saturday during the fall and spring semester, and Monday through Friday during the summer semesters.